Namaste. My name is Rui Simra. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak how to understand the brain-mind connection. We are told that we are wired to do, and that is wrong. Our brain and our mind are changing every moment. The brain surgery teaches us that when even a bigger part might be the half of the brain is damaged or cut out, other parts of the brain are overtaking these missing parts of the brain. The brain has only one part that always has to function, and that is a reptile brain that is connected to all of the nerves. All the other parts of the brain can be replaced by other parts of the brain. Imagine there's a big lake and you take away a bucket of water. Do you think that you have changed anything? For sure, no. Imagine you throw a stone into a lake and the stone will create ripples or even small waves. Afterwards, the lake is the same. The lake is our brain and the stone is a thought or an emotion. After some time, the effect will subside. The thought or emotions are caused by many different areas of our brain simultaneously. It is actually nothing wired. Every brain cell is connected like the water molecules in the water. When we have a thought that is important for us, then it is like a concert with many instruments playing. Many brain cells are involved. For instance, the athletes or artists are telling us to be in the zone or in the flow. If they are in the zone, then they reach their highest effectivity. They are relaxed and they are doing the craft art sport effortlessness, or to do without doing. This state of the brain-mind can be reached if the participant has learned their craft and is not bored or overexcited. In the flow, the brain is excluding every thought, emotion that doesn't fit to the doing. What about emotional traumas? In our brain are stored memories. In different areas can be different parts of that memory, like the stupid Windows system is doing so. The emotion that is fitting to the trauma is stored in a different part of the brain from that memory. The problem are the emotions of our trauma that hinder us to think and feel independent of our trauma. We have to get rid of the trauma, and there's only one way: to feel the suppressed emotions of that memory. Don't try NLP for traumas. It makes everything worse. We have to unblock our mind, our brain, by releasing of the emotions of our traumas. It's only one way, no? Just to feel the hurting emotions. Are these traumas good? Yes! For instance, cancer patients are traumatized by getting their diagnosis from having cancer. After some time, they accept their life-threatening cancer and value their time much higher. If the cancer is cured, then for them the life quality is much more important than anything else. Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.